Mhm.
Before I opened my own agency, I was the creative director. I oversaw a lot of different teams.
Yeah.
And whenever we got a B2B client, or whenever we got a client or a project that my creative team deemed as boring, because it was just a brochure,
Yeah.
or just an insert, or a sales insert or something, and they would come to me and complain, like, if I was working on the such and such campaign, or if I had something basically sexier to do, I
Yeah.
could I could really flex my creative muscle, but you're sticking me with this. And I always said the same thing, which was, if you can't find what's interesting about this product or this service, if you can't develop a sales insert or a brochure or whatever is
Yeah.
at hand to make it compelling to the audience, you're not doing your job, or at least you're not working hard enough to figure it out.
Yeah.
Everything is interesting. And our job, the great Bill Birnbach from Doyle Dane Birnbach said, I'm paraphrasing, but our job is to bring the dead facts to life. You need to do your homework. You need to do your research. You need to understand your audience and what drives them. And if
Mm.
you got that down, you're going to find something that's be like, oh, you know what? This is what I'm going to focus on. This is what
Yeah.
I'm going to say. And that's going to be really interesting to this member of my audience. And
Mm.
that's what's going to make action happen.